Hi guys, I'm Sarah with WTI and I have here with me this wonderful guitar stand. This is an EastRock guitar stand that I would recommend to anybody. Now what I really love about this guitar stand is that it helps to keep my guitar nice and safe, free of scratches. I love the fact that it has the nice foam here on both of the support and even at the back here too. On all supports it has nice cushiony foam, so it keeps my guitar free from scratches, which I love. And also it just makes my home so much neater too, because if I don't have one of these, then usually my guitar or instruments will just be lying around anywhere. This is perfect for an electric guitar too, or guitars. It's just a standard size too, so it fits really well with different guitars. So if you are looking for a really good guitar stand that is also portable, which is great, you can take it with you wherever you go, I would definitely recommend it. I have loved using it. It definitely makes my guitar look so much visually nicer as well, and that's my point of view.